Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this episode we will check analysis of BTC, gold as well as we will check silver. So this video will be helpful for you if you are looking for the price analysis of these all commodities slash crypto. Where actually BTC wants to go, is it trap or breakdown, we will see in detail. In last update shared the thoughts on BTC. In this episode let's check updated levels, how BTC can interact with the market and what are the probabilities. Along with that we will check PrimeXBT crypto exchange where you can trade crypto, forex as well as commodity pairs. We will check everything in detail, so stay connected with us. If you are new on this YouTube channel you can click the subscribe button because it's free. If you are crypto enthusiast or trader, this might be helpful for you because on this YouTube channel I share trade setups as well as cryptocurrency market updates. So everything is free of cost for you, as well as you can connect me on Telegram channel. Link is given in the video's description. Simply you can find out that link, or if you are searching manually you can enter @amitandcrypto. On this Telegram channel you will get free and paid signals. If you want to learn more about paid signals, simply check the pinned message and get all information. Still, if you have any queries, simply connect me with this username @amitandcrypto_admin. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Alright, now let's get started with first of all BTC analysis. Is this breakdown or trap? We will discuss everything in detail. First of all, let's check about daily candle. Daily candle, it showed that breakdown is happened. You can see closing is exactly happened below this trend line. This is the perfect closing. This is just a test candle or breakout after the test. So in this scenario we can consider that breakout is happened. We have understood breakout is happened, but confirmation is needed here. Once the test will done at 67.7k, we can catch one short trade in BTC. Since this price 70.9k, price is steadily going with downward direction, as you can see here how strictly following this trend line. Selling, again buyers are coming at this point but not sustaining the buyers this zone. Again sellers are entering, pulling the market to the downward direction. Same thing can happen here. Test here, and after test we might see one more down movement. So wait properly. If we see some sellers activity at this point, keep in mind this point. If sellers are acting or candles wicks are generating like this, we might see some sellers, new sellers that can pull the market to this previous support level. If not, fake out also possible. How? Let me show you. Price can steadily go to the upper direction, squeeze for some time and create higher highs and can go to the upper direction. So everything is depends on the test and interaction of the candles. If candles are interacting low, sell pressure is generating at the point of this resistance, then sellers can pull the market to the downward direction. Still in indecision because this is bull's candle, market can reverse too. That's why I am saying to hold patiently until and unless we see some candles activity at this point. So this point is for us not just a resistance point. This is the decision point, 68k to 67.4k. This zone need to be careful. Let me add price levels. Okay, these 2 points are very much important. In this zone, if price is interacting with the sellers, if price is generating wicks like this below this point, we can go with the sellers. If not, price can trap the sellers and move upward direction. So be careful with your trades, with your open trades. Always must have stop losses. This video just for an informational purpose only, not financial advice. This is about BTC. I hope you guys have understood some key points. Afterwards, we will check aluminium analysis. You can trade crypto, forex, commodities, 100 plus crypto markets on this platform. Link of this platform is given in the video's description. Simply you can jump on the link and create your account. Here are the account categories: PX Trader, PX Trader 2.0, copy trading. If you are interested to the PX Trader, if you want to trade gold, forex, stock indices and 100 plus other markets, you can switch to the PX Trader and create your one more account. This is about trading account. Alright, and afterwards PX Trader 2.0 if you want to trade BTC and other cryptocurrencies with anchor fee from 0.015%, then you can switch to the PX Trader 2.0. Simply click your account and continue. I have already created my account, so I can easily switch and trade here. Once you create your accounts, here you can see the titles of created accounts: PX Trader, PX Trader 2.0. Aluminium is currently trading at 3070 USD. Okay, now we will find out some key levels in aluminium by technical analysis. Aluminium is already dumped with gold, as you can see here. This is the major support line in daily time frame, and this is the major resistance point. Perfect, we have successfully captured two important levels which are necessary to understand where actually reversal point is spotted. Now let's switch to the 4-hour chart and see the possible levels. Price is on support level, that's why we may see some long trades here. This is the breakdown point, guys. As you can see here, downtrend is happened, and this is the huge volume candle, and price is successfully broken this point. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart to confirm the trade. Alright, as expected, price is successfully broken upside and tested it, now preparing for the next move. If you want to trade aluminium, you can trade here. I'm expecting some bullish moves in aluminium, and your stop loss will be like this at 1%. If you're a scalper, you can go with this. Okay, take profit is possible till this 3150. Alright, if you are okay with this risk reward, you may go with this trade. Disclaimer, this video for an informational purpose only, not financial advice, so you can think about this trade and take your actions accordingly. Okay, in aluminium we have a trade opportunity. Now let's see about silver, how actually silver is doing here. You can simply switch here from aluminium to silver, enter silver, and see the available options forex and commodity. If you switch to the forex, this is about spot, and if you switch to the commodities, this is about leverage. Let's spot support and resistance points in bigger time frame. Okay, major support point is $70, resistance point is $118. We have seen one downtrend point here. If you cover all the weeks, your trend will be like this. Okay, and daily is trying to flip the market. As you can see, this is the bullish zone, bullish candlestick section. First it was the red candle close to about just support point, and reversely price is created one more green candle. This is a positive sign. You guys can see clearly breakout is happened here. Retest is also done. We might have one trade in silver as well. This is our resistance point for the silver, and stop loss just below this point. Risk reward is quite good, 3.7 with risk of 4.68. We might catch take profit of 17.3%. So this setup is for an informational purpose only. You guys can research before you take any trade. Alright, so we have seen two markets analysis, silver, aluminium, as well as we have understood key points in BTC. If you want to trade BTC, silver, forex and other 100 plus markets, you guys can switch on PrimeXBT platform. Link of this platform is given in the video's description. With just one click you can trade here. If you want to trade silver USDT in commodity section, simply choose here your direction, buy or sell, and check the correct pair and choose order type. Add here amount. Let's say if you have entered a 10 in amount, margin impact is given here. PrimeXBT uses cross leverage with 1000x leverage. That's why always start with less amount and put your stop loss. For example, if you have entered 100 quantity in amount section, margin impact will show 12 USDT, but you can take risk of 50 USDT as well in this trade. Reason is very simple. The PrimeXBT uses cross leverage with 1000x. That's why even if you start with margin impact of 12 USDT, you can put your stop loss at 50 USDT with price or with amount. It's up to you. And one more important point is you can add here take profit level. Let's say if you want to close your take profit levels at 150 USDT, you guys can simply enter here values. Margin impact is 12 USDT from start by entering 100 quantity in amount section, but you can risk of 50 USDT as well as 150 USDT. Reason 1000x leverage. Alright, analyze the market properly and see the price moves in percentage. From this to this, if 1% is moving, that is means 1000% is moving. Oppositely, you will have less liquidation point, approximately 0.09% or 0.10%. If prices goes against your prediction, it can liquidate your position. If you don't want liquidation, simply keep your active balance, enter here margin impact like 1 USDT or 2 USDT with cross leverage. The expected collateral will take from the available balance and trade will keep running. So this is the difference when you go with the PrimeXBT and trade with the forex and commodity markets. Alright, I hope you guys have understood important concept of the leverage. If you want to switch to the demo trading, you guys can switch to the demo trading. Once you understand how actually order works, leverage works, collateral works, you guys can simply switch to the real account. It's up to you. For the demonstration purpose, I have opened one AVAX sell position. You can see here fill price was 13.856 and current market price is 8930. PNL is about 492 USDT. Simply you guys can also trade with demo. If you feel you are okay, you are comfortable, then switch to the real one. Also you guys can explore this reward center. Along with trading, you will have some other things to manage or participate. By trading you may earn here, trader tasks, and by trading you can earn here. By completing this mentioned turnovers, mentioned missions, you may claim these available rewards. This is for trade forex CFD and trade cryptos. Two types of categories are available. Alright, you can track your progress of completed tasks and claimed rewards. Also you can see here estimated total rewards which you have gained from your trading. Simply select the direction and move your rewards. I hope today's episode was helpful for you. If you have missed the last video on BTC breakdown, you may check out. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video. Bye.